Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos using your phone, right? So once you're on YouTube and once you have an active YouTube Premium account, you can easily do this. Go ahead and find the video that you want to download, and you can download this both ways. You can either click the three dots. When you want to see the video, you can click the three dots at the bottom right, and here you'll find download video. You tap on that. This is going to now give you the option and say, how do you want to download this video? And high or 720p or full HD or however you want to do it, you can just easily go ahead and just download the video. So let's say I want to download this in full HD, just like that. I click it, then I hit download. It's going to download the video for me, right? Let me show you. Now, let me go ahead and open up another video right here so that you can see.
Welcome to browser.
And I pause the video right there. Now, again, you can do it from this view as well. Click the three dots. You will find download. You hit download. From here, choose the quality. I'm going to leave it as is. I hit download. And that's another way you can actually do it as well. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can download videos. Now, you may be wondering, okay, after I download the videos, how do I find those videos, Andrew? Where can I find my downloaded videos? Super easy. Once you open up YouTube on your phone, whether you have an active internet connection or not, you can open YouTube, click your profile. Once you do that, you can now go ahead and find downloads right as you scroll on. You have a section called library. You can see that it shows downloads. You click on that to open it, and here you'll find all of your downloaded videos. You can easily go ahead and watch them as you wish. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.